I couldn't believe it. Indie woman captures maintenance worker peeing into her sink while alone in apartment. This is disgusting. I don't know what's going on in the world today. I don't know. Lord, I don't know. But Jesus, help these people. Welcome to the Tracy Show. It's Tracy with an I, not with a Y. Let's get into this because this is disgusting. And they talking about should they charge him? Hey, look into it further. That's just nasty. So what? He was fired. He need to be in jail. He's nasty. Indianapolis woman Tracy Shirley just left her apartment at Blackburn Terrace on Indy's northeast side last week so a maintenance worker could come to repair a broken water heater. He's supposed to be repairing broken water. Yet, he's in other people's apartments peeing demon water. Yes. While she was out, her Ring camera captured something so disgusting. The repairman pulling down his pants and peeing into her sink with dishes. In the video, Shirley shared with 13 News, the worker is seen looking around before checking to see if anyone might be watching his nasty big. Yeah. Y'all know what I'm saying. Y'all know what I'm saying. Flabbergasted, Shirley said. I couldn't believe it. I was very shocked. Well, Shirley, don't be shocked because there's a lot of sick people out here. Shirley said she checked her camera while away from the apartment and couldn't tell what he was doing. When she got back, the man told her the water heater would have to be fixed another day. And ain't that after he didn't pee on her dishes, he didn't even do what he supposed to do. Oh, Shirley, I don't know why for the life of me you ain't with that. You ain't do it. You ain't do it. Maybe you couldn't have did it, but I would have hired a few people because that looked like, where you live. I ain't trying to be funny or nothing. Look like you could have got a few people on him. And I guarantee you. The things I'm thinking. That ain't even normal. Oh my goodness. Let me keep going. So after Big Back, for no reason, Fat Tail left, Shirley says she checked the camera again. This time, hearing the sound of what was happening at her apartment near North Keystone Avenue and East 30th Street. Shirley, Shirley, you too nice. You too nice. Ain't no way. Woo-hoo-wee. Let me keep going. Shirley said, I always have my Ring camera running 24/7, so I was not expecting to catch something like that. Ever, Shirley said. I can't imagine if I didn't have it and he did that and I would have been eating from those same dishes later that day. Oh, my Lord. Shirley, that's reason for another whipping. Girl, you still got time? Find him. Check the unemployment office. Something. Shirley says she was told the worker was fired after the incident was reported. What? Oh, heck no. Shirley, you got to sue. Sue the whole apartment complex. Him too. Absolutely. Look. That camera right there, that's all you need. Now you got anxiety. Now you're scared to eat, period. You don't have an appetite for nothing. Oh, he didn't mess your mind all up. Shirley, make the money. He want to be paying on people's stuff. And you know what? The sad thing is, you are not the first person. He is doing that all around that complex. And just like you said, people might not have that Ring camera inside. So they are eating after his big back. Nasty Kentucky Fried Chicken looking stink. Woo! Girl. Oh, my Lord. That's some nasty stuff. That's like somebody spitting on you or something. Shirley, don't take that. Don't take that. IMPD confirmed an officer was called to the apartment to take an incident report, and the findings will be forwarded to the Marion County Prosecutor's Office to determine if charges will be filed. Oh, they're going to charge some file. They're going to file some charges. Absolutely. Shirley said another repairman was able to fix the water heater a few days later, but she lost her appetite from seeing the video. Shirley, I'm telling you, there you go. Look, you ain't been able to eat, sleep. You ain't been able to do nothing since you saw this. You have been in disarray. Everything out of order. While it wasn't the first time a maintenance worker had been in her apartment alone before, where she lives since 2018, Shirley said it will certainly be the last time. Oh, Shirley, you need to sue. You don't need to be living in no more apartment. Get yourself a brand new house. Shirley went on to say, let them know that you would prefer to be at home when they come. Shirley, look at here. We have been through trauma all of our lives. And part of Women's National History Month, get your up out of there. Look at me, Shirley. Because I'm so serious. Where your people at? Because they not talking to you. And obviously, they don't care. They don't love you. Something ain't right. But listen to me and look at me. First, get somebody to whip that big back country fried chicken. Yeah, you know everything I want to say. Yeah, do that. And I want you to sue the apartment complex. And if the police don't charge them, sue them too. If they gonna file some charges, that's some nasty stuff. Right there on camera. Girl, you better say everything wrong. Look, and then you can say in everything that I eat right now, I feel like I just smell pee everywhere. I'm afraid. Listen to the news, y'all.
With an Indianapolis woman who says she is shocked and disgusted. This after an apartment maintenance worker allegedly peed in her kitchen sink.
Our Ashton Hackman talked with that woman today and explains how she didn't even know it had happened, almost.
I was very, very shocked.
It can be a hassle dealing with apartment building maintenance, but this, Tracy Shirley says she can't believe.
Pulled it out and peed right here in my sink. Flabbergasted, yeah, I couldn't believe it.
A repairman at Blackburn Terrace Apartments coming to fix a broken water heater. Instead, a renter shocked to see what he was doing while alone in her apartment. Luckily, a Ring camera in the corner captured it all. The worker looks around, checking to see if anyone might be watching before peeing all over Shirley's dishes.
I always have my Ring cameras running 24/7, so I was not expecting to catch something like that ever.
Shirley tells me she's lived here since 2018 and has had maintenance workers in her apartment before. But after what she saw, she won't be having work done while she's not at home.
I can't imagine if I didn't have it and he did that and I would have been eating from those same dishes later that day.
And although she is staying here for now, Shirley says it's a reminder: without home security video, you don't know what happens in your home when you're not around.
Let them know that you would prefer to be at home when they come.
IMPD tells me they did take a case report after that incident, and anything that they find will be handed over to the prosecutor to see if any charges will be filed. In Indianapolis, Ashton Hackman, 13 News.
Now, we reached out several times to the Indianapolis Housing Agency, which runs that apartment complex. We're still waiting to hear back.
Number one, you're probably not going to hear back. Number two, I don't know why y'all got his face covered up. He's nasty. He needs to be seen. He's not a child. He's a nasty, ill. I would shown. I wouldn't blur nothing out. Shirley, you too nice. You too nice. That's nasty. Y'all do me a favor. Hype the video up, because I know he's not the only one to be doing nasty stuff in people's apartments. They're everywhere. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.